discussing the entire value chain and where current challenges are still waiting and what needs to be done. And we figured out that the education and the stability of the process is still the main problem.
There we discussed about powder handling and the whole supply chain, which includes the AM processes and the powder handling and so on, and it was very helpful and interesting.
It's very interesting to learn more about these influencing factors because it's very important for our qualification of the products afterwards.
We were discussing how we are going to use the huge amounts of data from additive manufacturing and how we can manipulate them.
How the future of additive manufacturing will be.
Completely agree on this, and what I liked the most about the workshop was some controversial and interesting discussions from different positions of industry.
We learned there about how to accelerate the industrialization of additive manufacturing process.
We learned about the business canvas and we applied it on additive manufacturing, and what I liked is talking about the business cases with the participants.
So the topic of the workshop was Bayern Innovativ as a network, as a Bavarian network association, how we can help small medium enterprises to get into additive manufacturing.